Friends, I am Sanil Kumar. I just wanted to give you a very beautiful, powerful, and one of the very popular and highest selling LIC policy. And this name of the policy is Jeevan Lakshya. Jeevan Lakshya 933 is a code. You get a sum assured from the day one. Sum assured is mentioned in the policy bond, and that is one of the bigger advantage. Today, finding sum assured for any investment is very difficult, whereas in this plan, sum assured is mentioned. And other than that, there is a regular payment possible. You can pay yearly, half yearly, quarterly, even monthly through ECS, auto debit, and online payment. Everything is possible. So payment mode plenty. You can change from one mode to other. That's a bigger advantage. And now the special offer is that Jeevan Lakshya comes with a 10% extra risk cover. Assume that 1 crore is a sum assured and 1 crore 10 lakhs is a risk cover from day one. And if you are adding the accident coverage, that is means double accident benefit, then it will be get added to 1 crore more. That means 1 crore is a basic coverage plus 1 crore is an accident coverage. That's one of the biggest risk coverage plan. Other than that, there is a regular bonus credited by LIC on a year to year, and that accumulates parallelly along with the premium. An example I wanted to tell. Assume that you pay 1 lakh rupees premium every year and another 1 lakh almost getting credited along with your premium, and every year the total credit become 2 lakhs. The second 1 lakh is accrued bonus. Just go to licindia.com and download bonus illustration sheet and see the bonus of this particular plan. You will astonish to see that very consistent bonus is credited every year. Together sum assured plus bonus is a maturity, and the maturity you can decide depend on the time you require amount. There is a time available from minimum 13 years to 25 years, depend on the needs. One can select the term. That's one of the another advantage. Friends, this plan is very ideal for children's education purpose. If you are looking for a big sum for your sons or daughters higher education after 10 years, 15 years, then Jeevan Lakshya of LIC is very ideal plan. Why I recommend Jeevan Lakshya for education plan is only because of one reason. In this, there is only a very special benefit called cash benefit. What is cash benefit? Suppose you have taken a policy and this policy runs. After 1 month or 1 year or 5 years, anything happened in the form of a risk. In the we say natural risk, accident risk, or critical illness risk, or risk due to COVID, any type of death is covered in this plan. In that case of in that kind of incident happened, LIC pay 10% of sum assured every year to the child. Assume that 1 lakh is 1 crore is a sum assured, then 10% become 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs paid every year to child for rest of the period of the plan. Assume that you have taken 25 years plan and any death happened after 1 year, then next 24 years, 10 lakhs each paid to the child. That's a cash compensation. Not only that, plus this plan continue thereafter without paying premium. We call it as premium waiver benefit is inbuilt in this plan, and this policy continue by itself. LIC pay premium, and 24 years all the premium LIC fill it, and at the end the whole maturity, basic sum assured plus bonus together is given to the child. See the benefit of the plan. Lot of benefits in one single plan. These are all inbuilt plan. Many other plans we had earlier where you need to buy riders, you need to buy term rider, you need to buy premium waiver benefit rider, you need to buy we call it as this is called cash benefit rider. Now everything is inbuilt in this plan. When you buy, this will come along with the plan. Because of this reason, we recommend this policy mainly to the child's education, where if something happened also, child's education carry over. If nothing happens also, the maturity comes, which can be very well used for the higher education or the college study of the plan. Unavoidable plan, and where the insurance cover take care of the parents' risk. It is not child risk. Nobody like to have child to be covered by insurance. It is parents is protected. The insurer is one of the parent, like father or mother, who is signing the proposal form become a proposer, their life is covered. Very important, that kind of system in India is rarely seen. And sum assured, and bonus, and maturity, plus cash benefit, plus all the risk covered, umbrella cover, risk cover from day one. Remember, if the death is through accident, due to accident, then at that time, 1 crore additional paid to the child and 10 lakhs paid every year as a compensation. Finally, the whole maturity is given free, no premium to be paid. And this is one of the very ideal plan, I can say. Jeevan Lakshya is a plan which is made exclusively, I feel, is for a child's higher education. I like you to attend the details and see the details and illustration and study well and read well and accept this plan and take this plan and enroll for this plan. In case you would like to have a cash flow chart, illustration where year-to-year insurance coverage, year-to-year accident coverage, year-to-year growth of the plan, everything is available, ready-made. In case if you need, I can even prepare a customized details. The age-wise, the child's age is much, the proposer age is much, when the money come, what's the facilities, what and all the other 10 benefits, which I am not going to explain much here because of time limitation. And all that together in one single chart, it will come. You can request for, we will send it to you. Thank you.